Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I got a remote job using LinkedIn. Full process explained for iPhone users. First of all, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Use a professional photo by uploading or take a photo, and then clear headline, detailed summary emphasizing your remote work skills. Next, go to your profile and look for the open to work option. Finding a new job, select remote and preferred roles. Use LinkedIn job filters. Go ahead and tap jobs in the bottom right corner, and then what you're gonna do is go ahead and click on finding a new job. Tap jobs, go to filters and choose remote, easy apply or specific companies you want to target. Next, connect with recruiters and professional in your field. Send personalized message and engage with those with posts. Privacy tip: keep your job search hidden from current employer under profile settings. Quick fix: if applications are getting responses, update your LinkedIn featured section with your portfolio or project. Apply using easy apply for faster response, and that's it. Subscribe for more LinkedIn